Sicon Audit Log is aimed at businesses wanting to monitor changes made to key areas by their users in Sage 200. With a high level of integration across Sage 200 and the added benefit of creating an audit trail of changes for compliance purposes, this solution will appeal to a broad range of client requirements. The solution will track changes to core Sage financial and commercial modules, plus Sicon contracts. With options for silent change logging or user-prompted reasons for a change, which are configurable per Sage module, Sicon Audit Log provides a way of tracking these changes and reporting on them. These can be viewed and signed off, ensuring clear visibility of all tracked changes. By tracking in this way, it gives the advantage of being able to quickly act on amendments made that may be critical to the business. Key features. Fully integrated with Sage 200. Sicon Audit Log is written within the Sage 200 development environment using the Sage business objects and utilising the latest Microsoft technologies for user interface. Real-time data availability. Changes are recorded immediately. Easy to use. With silent tracking enabled, users won't be aware that their changes are being tracked. With this switched off, a simple pop-up will appear upon saving for them to record why the change was made. Key benefits. Once purchased, this module is available across all Sage 200 companies at no extra cost. User-prompted reasons ensures awareness that changes are being tracked and allows users to record why those were made, further enhancing the information held in the audit trail. Options to choose which Sage 200 modules you need to track and record changes in, providing flexibility for the organisation only wanting certain Sage modules covered. A sign-off process is provided and generates a full list of every change made within the selected trackable modules. The name of the authorizer is also recorded in the audit trail for full visibility. Users are enabled to sign off their own amendments. This is just a sample of the functionality that's available. For more information, please refer to our website www.sicon.co.uk.